Hey eBay, this is Killer Bottle G again. I got some retro 13s this time. Used. But in very good condition. Must have for any collection if you're a collector. These are size 11. Came out in 2004. Very nice shoe. A little worn. Not too bad. But still very rockable. Yeah. And they come in the original box. Jordan 13 Retro. And yeah, that's about it. Good luck bidding. Enjoy your Retro 13s, guys. Get them while they're hot.